This is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to begin with, let's launch the camera application itself. Then you gotta scroll this modes all the way to the left until you will open the more section. Then tap at the pro mode over here, and while at it you can manually change such things as ISO value, shutter speed, the exposure, focus distance, and the white balance. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.